morning, everyone. I'm off to Pittsburgh to help Glenn again at the rental. Glory and Wendy are meeting me there, and we'll carry on. Have a good day. I got some snacks. Glory's making lunch. Since I'm here first, I'm just going to clean this up. Got these wild morning glories. We have Glory and Wendy wet sanding over the patches. Wendy's in the closet.
Not literally, well, literally.
So we got Wendy and Glory on a wall, and I'm going to prepare Bondo for the big hole in the door. Then we will move to the next room and prep those, and by then everything should be dry in here. Okay, I've added the Bondo and then the hardener.
God, we're having communication difficulties.
Now I'll just mix it up. We're having
What do you think it was I said?
I thought you said stick ladder. Stick ladder.
Are you having a hard time with the accent
I
plan?
was gonna wait.
Yeah, none of the wet stuff came. It was just, it's all good, Glenn.
All good.
All good. Nobody's gonna see that, Glenn.
What's that? It'll be fine.
No one's gonna see this when it's done. You know, you think the walls are ready, and then you find another one of these that are just horrid to get off. Please take my wood. So I got to take a chunk out of the wall. Oh, holy. How many more? I think this one's ready. Oh, it works. I'm not worried about that. It's funny how when you're preparing walls, at least for me, you know, you think you had it the first time. You go around, you find more things like I did in the closet doors and this bedroom door. So I'm going to do a quick go around, check again. We only need probably a half an hour and everything will be dry in here and ready to paint.
I'm busy taking off plates. I found something I could do. They all have to come off, right?
Yes. I might as well start taping, right? While one's looking for something in his van.